students, you are welcome to class. This is LIS 109, Introduction to African Information Environment. Today's lesson is lesson 1 and the topic is Basic Concepts of African Information Environment. I'm your facilitator for the day. My name is Dr. Ajay Ivoma Abigail. I'll see you in class. Like I said earlier, today's topic is topic 1 and the title is Basic Concepts in African Information Environment. At the end of this class, you should have learned 1. The definition of information environment, explain the factors of information environment. You should be able to explain the infrastructure of information environment. The fourth thing you should be able to do is to identify the content of information environment, identify the types of information environment, and lastly, you should be able to explain the elements or dimensions of information environment at the end of this class. I have a class activity for you. What do you understand by the term information environment? Kindly send your answers to the email address I'll give at the end of the class, and I promise I'll respond. Information environment is a global environment where humans and automated systems they observe, they orient, they decide, they act on data, they act on information, and they act on knowledge. There are several actors in the information environment. We have individuals, that's humans. We have media. We have government institutions and private companies. We have the local government institutions. We have business organizations. And finally, we have interest groups. There are 4 infrastructures of information environment. The first one is the technocratic approach. The second one is the social structure approach. The third one is the information structure and exclusion approach. And finally, the modernization and capitalization approach. What are the contents of information environment? The first one here is television. We have radio. We have newspaper. We have magazines. And we have the internet. There are 6 types of information environments. I'll take them one after the other. 1. Information on the state of the elements of the environment. 2. Information on factors affecting the elements of the environment. 3. Information on measures and activities affecting the environment or factors affecting it. 4. Reports on the implementation of environmental legislation. 5. Associated economic information. And 6. Information on the state of human health and safety. Dimension. This dimension constitutes the most important component of the information environment. It encompasses the mind of the decision maker and the target audience, known as TA. In this lesson, you learned the definition of information environment, learned about the actors of information environment, the infrastructures of the information environment, the content and types of information environment, and lastly, you learned about the dimensions of information environment. If you have any question on any of this, kindly send an email to iajie@noun.edu.ng. and I promise I will respond. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in lesson 2. Bye for now.